Hello there, reviewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of decor ideas. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Have you ever walked past a fallen tree branch without giving it a second thought? Most people see firewoods or yard waste, but creative woodworkers see beautiful home decor waiting to be happen. What if one simple branch could become an elegant decoration that looks like it belongs in a designer home? Today, we are sharing the simple secret to turn ordinary branches into beautiful indoor decor that looks natural, timeless, and surprisingly inexpensive. You don't need rare wood or expensive materials, just a little patience, creativity, and a fresh way to look at nature. By the end of this video, you will never look at a tree branch the same way again. Let's get started. Choose the right branch. Not every branch is the same. Look for a piece with interesting shape and natural curves. A unique branch often becomes the most eye-catching decoration. Don't worry if it looks rough at first. Hidden beauty is often covered by dirt and old dark. Clean before you create. The first step is giving a branch a fresh start. Remove loose dirty, dust, and anything that's hidden the wood. A clear surface makes it much easier to see the natural beauty underneath. Even an ordinary branch can look completely different after a good cleaning. Every great project begins with a clean foundation. Remove the old bark, old dark, and hidden beautiful wood underneath. As the dark comes out, you will begin to see the natural colors and patterns. Every branch reveals something different. Take your time and enjoy watching the transformation. This is often the moment when the project really comes to life. Give the wood time. Fresh branches need time before becoming indoor decor. Rushing the process can lead to unwanted changes later. Patience helps the branch stay beautiful for years. Good craftsmanship often begins with simply waiting. Nature has its own pace. Celebrate the nature shapes. Straight lines are not always the most interesting. Twists, bends, and gentle curve makes every branch unique. Nature creates designs that not much machine can copy. Let the shape become part of the decoration. Every piece tells its own story. Bring out the nature beauty. A simple finish can completely change the appearance of the wood. Rich colors begin to appear. Green patterns become more noticeable. The branch starts looking warm and elegant. Small details suddenly stand out. Decor with simplicity. One beautiful branch can decor an entire room. Place it on a shelf, display it on a table, stand it in a tall vase. Learn it against a wall for modern natural look. Sometimes the simplest decorations are the most impressive. Mix nature with modern design. Natural wooden works beautifully in almost every decorating style. It looks great with white walls. It adds warmth to modern furniture. It complements stone, glass, plants, and soft fabrics. A simple brush can make a room feel calmer and more inviting. Save money while creating something unique. Beautiful decoration does not have to be expensive. Nature provides incredible materials for free. A little creativity can replace costly decorations. Handmade pieces always feel more personal. Every branch becomes one of a kind. The secret most people never discover. The real secret is not the branch itself. It is learning to see possibility where others see waste. One piece of fallen branch can become a conversation piece. Handcrafted nature decor has a warmth that factory-made decoration can't match. Sometimes the most beautiful creations begins with something every else work past. Every work can become a treasure hunt. The next time you are outside, look down instead of walking past. Nature is full of unique shapes waiting to be discovered. One interesting branch could become your next favorite project. You never know what beautiful piece you will find. Inspiration is often closer than you think. See beautiful whether others see waste. Most people see a fallen branch and think it's ready for the fire. Creative makers see something completely different. Every weather piece has character. Every nature curve adds personality. Great ideas often begin with a different way of seeing ordinary things. Let nature become the designer. You don't have to create every shape yourself. Nature has already done the hardest part of the work. Twist, bends, and texture makes every branch one of a kind. The goal is to highlight that beauty, not hide it. Sometimes the best design is already there. Turn simple wood into elegant home decor. A single branch can become a beautiful shelf decoration. It can bring warmth to a coffee table. It can add character to an empty corner. Even the smallest piece can become a conversational starter. Handmade natural decor always feels special. Make every room feels more relaxing. Natural wood creates a calm and peaceful atmosphere. It softens modern interior. It makes a room feel warmer and more welcoming. Even a simple wood accent changes the mood. Nature has a way to make every space feel more comfortable. Mix wood with another natural materials. Pair branches with stone for an earthly look. Add dried flowers for a softer color. Use woven baskets nearby texture. Place simple candles beside the wood for a cozy feeling. Different natural materials work beautifully together. Every branch has its own story. Some branches grew in the open sunlight, others grew surrounded by large trees. Every curve reflects their of growth. Every mark tells part of its journey. That's what makes the natural decor impossible to copy. Handmade always feels more meaningful. Store-bought decorations are made in large numbers. Handmade projects are completely unique. You know exactly where your materials came from. Every finished piece carries your creativity. That's something no factory can produce. Decorate every season. Natural branches look beautiful all year around. Add greenery during spring. Decorate with flowers in summer. Display color leaves in autumn. Wrap small light around them during the holidays. One simple project can change with every season. Less really is more. You don't need dozens of decorations. One carefully chosen wooden piece often makes a strong impression. Clean space allows handmade projects to stand out. Simplicity creates elegancy. Small details often have the greatest impact. Start a new hobby without spending much. You don't need expensive supplies to begin. Nature provides the main material. Every project helps building your creativity. Every finished piece teaches something new. Small projects can grow into a lifelong passion. Give forgotten wood a second life. Instead of throwing natural materials away, find a new purpose for them. Reusing branch is both creative and environmental friendly. It's satisfying to turn something overlooked into something beautiful. Every project keeps a useful material out of the waste pile. Great craftsman often starts with simple ideas. Create handmade gifts. A beautiful wooden decoration makes a thoughtful gift. Friends and families appreciate something made with care, and made crafts often become treasured keepsakes. They are personal, meaningful, one of a kind. The value becomes more the effect and creative behind them. Inspire your creativity. One finished project often sparks another idea. The small branch may inspire a shelf decoration. The next one could become wall art. Before long, you will start seeing creative possibility everywhere. That's the joy of working with natural materials. The biggest secret is changing your perspectives. The real transformation is not just the branch, it's the way you begin to see the world around you. Ordinary materials become extraordinary when viewed with imagination. Creativity starts by asking, what could this become? And sometimes the most beautiful home decor begins with something everyone else leaves behind. At the end, beautiful does not always come before expensive store or luxury showrooms. Sometimes it becomes with a unique work or a quiet walk outdoor and a simple fallen branch. Let nature inspire your next project. Build with creativity, patience, and imagination. Every handmade piece adds warmth, character, and story to your home. If today's video inspired you, please give it a thumb up and subscribe for more easy woodworking ideas, creative woodcraft projects, and budget-friendly home decor inspirations. Tell us in the comments what is the most interesting piece of wood you have ever found. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next creative woodworking adventures. Until then, stay safe, stay blessed. Ciao.